Green Fuel provides LPG solutions for the entire LPG network in Bangladesh. From supply, transportation, storage, and use. Supply processes include LPG bulk supply to industrial company. Looking at LPG transportation. LPG road tanker support. LPG delivery truck equipment. Moving to storage. LPG bulk storage solutions. Now we move on to cylinder, pump and dispenser solutions. For LPG tank solutions, Green Fuel offers a range of valves and regulators. Looking at multi-cylinder solutions. By Missouri Metering. The company also has a dedicated area to alternative fuel including LPG automotive filling solutions and autogas conversion service. An offering of LPG cylinder filling technology. Green Fuel is by your side. Contact us today.